चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
All right, we're getting visuals right now, viewers, of that's the final tribute being paid to the martyrs. These are visuals coming from Kathua, the wreath-laying ceremony of the martyred CRPF soldier. Remember, there have been 3 attacks in 72 hours in the valley. And these are the latest visuals we're getting in from Jammu and Kashmir. Remember, 2 terrorists, one was killed last night in an encounter. Security forces cordoned off the area. Drones are being employed to track the remaining terrorists. And of course, there is a lot of outrage right from the terror attack in Riyasi, and back-to-back 2 more attacks in the valley enraged the Indians. Forces on the ground looking for the other terrorists. Remember, this was the second attack in 3 days in Kathua. A Jawan was killed after security forces gunned down a terrorist in Jammu. 1 terrorist was neutralized, and locals have vowed support and help to security forces in search operations. And my colleague Gursimran Singh joins us on the broadcast for more. Gursimran, this is the last salute to the martyred CRPF soldier. Latest visuals coming in from Kathua.
हिमाचल सरकार से भी
Yes, Constable Kabir Das has made the supreme sacrifice while performing his duties with utmost determination to ensure that the sovereignty of the Union of India remains intact. And at around 3, the terrorist that was equipped with the M4 rifle fitted with a night vision scope, he had a hit on Constable Kabir Das from the Chhindwara district of Madhya Pradesh, and when taken to the hospital he succumbed to his injuries, but ensured that the security forces get on to the exact location of the second Pakistani terrorist that was holding the sophisticated weapon. And soon after the martyrdom, the forces encircled the entire area and search operations were launched. And a couple of minutes ago we got the official confirmation from the Jammu and Kashmir police that with the killing of second Pakistani terrorist that was equipped with the US made M4 rifle, the operation is over. The Kathua operation stands completed with the killing of 2 Pakistani terrorists. However, in an unfortunate incident, the constable of the CRPF that was part of the team carrying out the operation, Constable Kabir Das, attained martyrdom. He made the supreme sacrifice while performing his duty with the utmost dedication, and he ensured that the location of the terrorist is traced and the terrorist is neutralized at an earliest. And now, with the completion of the operation, we can confirm that the Kathua operation that started yesterday evening at around 7:30 is completed within 24 hours, and both the highly trained Pakistani terrorists have been neutralized in this attack, in this encounter by the Kathua police. The first terrorist was killed only single-handedly by the SDPO and the SHO of the Hiranagar, while in the second operation it was the one para of the Indian Army, the CRPF's local battalion along with the Jammu and Kashmir police that carried out the joint operation. Though it was a setback for the CRPF today morning when at around 3 the terrorists opened the fire, and the bullet went into the chest of the constable Kabir Das, who was from the Chhindwara district of Madhya Pradesh. He made the supreme sacrifice, but when the bullet was fired at him, the location of the terrorist got exposed, and now the terrorist has been neutralized. The terrorist was carrying a M4 carbine rifle along with a night vision scope, and also an ID was fitted on the M4 carbine of this terrorist so that there can be maximum damage to the security forces when he is neutralized. Now the last minute identifications and detailing of the spot is being done, and in a couple of minutes from now we can expect that there will be an official briefing by the Jammu and Kashmir Police Jammu Zone Chief Anand Jain on the operations, that this operation has been concluded with the killing of 2 Pakistani terrorists who have recently infiltrated and are likely affiliated to the Lashkar-e-Toiba group, which is being operated from the land of Pakistan, is hell-bent to destabilize Jammu and Kashmir and has made multiple attempts to push in their terrorist